Good day everyone, and especially to our instructor, Sir Apariano Prospero. Today, we will discuss our topics from Group 4 about the identify the IMDG code or the International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code, classification of dangerous cargoes based on their placards markings, are the identified by standardized placards and labels. The placards displays symbols, colors, members, and wording that indicates type of hazard. So the placards use symbols, colors, numbers, and words to show the type of danger, such as flammable, toxic, or corrosive materials. This system is required by the International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code, helps ensure safe handling, storage, and transport of dangerous goods. So I will be discussing the class 1. So the class 1 explosive placards, orange background and with an exploding bomb symbol, which warns people about the risk of explosion. The division number on the placard shows the type and label explosive hazard such as mass explosion or minor blast hazard. The exploding bomb symbol represents the sudden and violent release of energy that explosive can produce. This marking helps workers and emergency responders identify explosive cargoes quickly and handle it with extreme care during transport and storage. For examples, ammunition and fireworks, hazard, explosion, blast, and fragmentation. So the class 2 is gases, placard shape, diamond, division, 2.1 flammable gas, color, red, symbol, flame. Number 2, example, LPG and propane. 2.2, non-flammable, non-toxic gas, color green, symbol gas cylinder. Number 2 examples, nitrogen and CO2. 2.3, toxic, color, white symbol, skull and crossbones. Number 2 examples, chlorine and ammonia.
I will discuss the class 3. Flammable liquids placard color red, symbols, flame meaning liquids that easily catch fire. Example, gasoline, alcohol, paint, and kerosene. For class 3 includes liquid that easily catch fire when exposed to heat, sparks, or flames. These liquids produce flammable vapors that can ignite quickly, which makes them dangerous during storage and transport. Examples, gasoline, petrol used as fuel for vehicles, alcohol such as ethanol used of chemicals and medicine, paint and paint thinner used for coating surface, kerosene, use of oil for lamps and jet engines. Simple examples, if a ship transports gasoline in tanks, it must be labeled class 3 flammable liquids because gasoline vapors can ignite easily. For class 4, flammable solids placard color red, white stripes, white or red or blue symbols. Flame meaning solids that ignite easily or react with water. Examples, matches, sodium, and phosphorus. Explanation for class 4 includes solid materials that can easily catch fire or react dangerously. Some substances may ignite from friction or heat, while others react with water and produce flammable gas. Examples, matches used for lighting fires, sodium metal reacts violently with water. Phosphorus used in chemicals and military applications. Simple examples, if sodium metal gets wet, it reacts with water and can provide hydrogen gas and fire. So it is classified as class 4 flammable solid.
So next is the oxidizing substance and organic peroxides. So it has a placard of yellow or red yellow, and the symbol has a flame over a circle.
Let's first tackle about oxidizing substance. So, oxidizing substance are chemicals that fuel fires by releasing oxygen. While organic peroxides are highly reactive, unstable carbon-based compounds containing a negative zero bond that can burn rapidly or explode. So, in short, oxidizing substance and organic peroxides are substances that release oxygen and intensify fire. So, here are the examples of oxidizing substance and organic peroxides: the hydroperoxide and ammonium nitrite. Next is the toxic and infection substances. So, it has a placard of white and has a symbol of skull and crossbones or biohazards. So, toxic and infection substances are pose severe risk to human and animal health, potentially causing death or serious injury via injection, inhalation, or skin contact. So, in short, it is a materials that are poisonous or contains infection organisms. So, examples are pesticides and medical waste.
Class 7 Radioactive materials. Radioactive materials are commonly used in medicine, industry, and scientific research. For example, they are used in cancer treatment, medical imaging, and equipment testing. Because of their dangerous nature, they must be safely packaged, labeled, and transported according to strict international safety regulations. The placard color is the yellow and white, and the symbol is radioactive rifle. And the meaning is materials that emit ionizing radiation that can be harmful to people, animals, and the environment if not handled properly. These materials release energy in the form of alpha, beta, or gamma radiation.
Corrosive substance. Corrosive substances can be quite dangerous as they can cause significant damage to skin and other materials. It's always important to handle them with extreme care and proper safety equipment. Placard color, black and white, symbol, liquid spilling on hand and metal, meaning substances that destroy materials or cause severe burns. Examples: sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. Miscellaneous dangerous substance. This class is essentially a catch-all for hazardous materials that don't fit neatly into other specific categories. It's a reminder that dangerous can come in many forms. Placard color, black and white stripes, symbol stripe design, meaning dangerous materials not included in their class. Example: lithium batteries, dry ice, and environmentally hazardous substance. Thank you. Wow.